Open up
Should
your
I
stocking.
open it? Or should I wait till tomorrow?
Oh, go get the garbage bag. Go get the garbage bag.
Daddy, don't go yet, okay?
No, the garbage bag's right there, Jax. In the same spot. Come here. Right there next to the tree.
We got that, okay?
Santa came early already?
Can you stop doing that? That's gonna be in
Thank
video.
you.
Okay. Okay? I'll walk you, okay?
To watch me.
Mm-hmm. I like Daddy hat.
Oh, Reese's.
Here, since she wants to take pictures of everything.
You're a dork. You know that? The garbage can's right there.
Hey, do your job.
Thank you.
Yeah, go get it. Throw it out, please. Crazy. Calm down. Why'd you do that?
Put it over there.
I'll buy them.
Stay.
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
What the heck is this?
It's a squeezy thing. You squeeze it and it comes back to life. It can stress like a stress thing.
Cool.
Flatten it.
Mommy, you too. Daddy too. No. You too.
Uh huh. Ivy, go lay down. Go lay down, chew your bone. Go lay down. There you go.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, buddy.
You too.
I love you too, buddy.
You too, Mommy.
Another squishy.
Me too.
Mm-hmm. Now the ball,
Kind of
Daddy.
weird stuff I got.
I like
Uh,
Me free it?
This is my
kinda.
squishy.
you guys all have stress, so it'll help you out.
What about you?
I ain't worried about me.
What do you mean?
Stress.
What does it mean?
Stress?
Mm-hmm.
What does stress mean?
Whoa.
Jackson, Carla, and Joseph.
No,
That's stress.
that's Mommy. You-
Have you got hit today? You know it's Christmas Eve. Stop. Fuckhead.
Yes, that's stress.
I'm not butthead.
I said stress. I didn't say butthead. I said stress.
That's
Yeah,
you,
your dad's got more stress
Mommy.
than that. Don't break that.
Damn.
It's supposed to go around your wrist.
I know. He's already breaking it.
Got my stuff.
Ooh, another squishy.
I need
Looks like the same one.
faces.
Don't touch my stuff.
It's a paper.
Stealing my Saw that? You're trying to steal my Reese's.
I know, right? I got that on camera too.
Another squishy.
I don't like Reese's. There was a lot
You can
of
leave one in the
paper.
bedroom, put one in the car.
I know, right?
Daddy, I gave you okay?
That's like a little straw, I think.
That's what
Right.
the ball is. They did.
Supposed to be like a like an iced coffee or something like that. Ooh, a blue one.
A blue one?
I like how they have like the dark design for like the chocolate part.
I wonder if these glow in the dark.
I think they do.
I take
It looks like they do.
I think they do glow in the dark.
We'll find out. Don't touch my squishies.
I
They're mine.
I did not. I found the dark.
We got blue ones.
Feels weird, don't it?
I know,
I
right?
hope that you
It's like sticky too. I got this. I got
I
this.
counted. 1, 2, 3. And 3.
My squishies.
I count down.
Jesus Christ. Take this whole thing up.
Payback for all the years you taped up every
I
stuff.
could have done better.
Uh-uh.
Hey, Tyler.
A ball again.
It has like a little swirl on it.
You ain't learned of what almost looks like pumpkins. Or like apples or whatever.
I didn't learn enough. I could have sat there, took the box tape, and just wrapped it around and around.
More squishies.
I freed it. What we did. I got Daddy.
My squishies. Thank yous.
Done? You like your stuff?
Yeah, squishies.